Hey Guru Nation, how's it going? This is for you CRAs out there. There's so many opportunities this year. I did a video for the CRCs. Now there's one for the CRA. If you're a CRA and you are not happy with your job or you think you can do better, there's never been a better time than 2021 to work on your goals and try to achieve what it is you want. So there's no excuse in 2021 for you to be a CRA with, let's say, 2 years of experience or more and not be happy in your situation. Yes, I know the CROs are consolidating. I know all that stuff, but there's still like five major CROs to choose from. And there's probably a dozen or so, maybe a couple dozen or so other smaller ones, small to medium sized ones, not to mention all the sponsors that you can work for. So make sure you watch all my videos. When I talk about biotech stocks, I usually focus on small cap stocks. You can look up those companies on clinicaltrials.gov. You can look up those companies on LinkedIn. You can often find the directors, the vice presidents, the CEOs, the founders of those companies, and introduce yourself. A lot of these companies need a couple key staff members. Even if the drug company itself outsources their studies to CROs, they still employ a couple of people to run with experience to oversee that aspect. So, for example, ChemPharm is a company that I've been covering for a long time, KMPH. They outsource their studies to CROs, just like most drug companies do, just like most sponsors do. However, they do have a core group of people, like a handful of people. It's a small company that run the clinical trials. They oversee the entire clinical trials from the sponsor side. So they're the ones that oversee the CRO. So if you're a CRA and you are like a 2 years of experience as a CRA, let's say for one of the big CROs, and you feel like you're underutilized or you're not happy or you can just do better, start reaching out. Reach out to 200 of these drug companies. Reach out to 200 job recruiters. Reach out. There's quality of life. There's varying degrees of quality of life, compensation structures, opportunities at different CROs, not to mention the drug companies. So there's never been a better time like now to, if you're not happy, look elsewhere, right? And if you think there's a chance where you're currently at, oftentimes it's best to climb the ladder where you currently are at because the CROs don't want to lose you guys right now, you guys and gals. But if you feel like that's gonna not get you very far, look, strike while the iron's hot, make hay while the sun shines. Start networking with these biotechs, small cap biotechs. Start networking with these other CROs. Get yourself out there. Join the ACRP, join SOCRA, join Latinos in clinical research, join Black women in clinical research. There are so many opportunities for you to network. There's not enough people in this space. There's such a huge demand, a very short supply of qualified people. If you're 2 years of experience as a CRA, you are a highly desirable employee for somebody else, maybe even a director. You might even go from a regular CRA to a director of a small cap biotech when it comes to overseeing the entire clinical trial operations. I've seen this happen time and time again with colleagues that I personally know. So don't tell me it's not possible, especially in a year like 2021. It is possible. Hopefully, this video helps somebody out there watching. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.